Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Felix Fox from Smiling Critters. So we're going to draw the face on a diagonal. So starting with the nose, we're going to curve this around and over on the right. And then starting on the left-hand side, we're just going to draw in a small arch line, closing that off. We're going to move over on the left, curving this line around and in. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to stretch this line coming out towards the right. We're going to close this off on the top now. So from that corner, we're going to curve this back down. Let's draw in the rest of the mouth. So in the corner here, we're going to draw in a bracket, curving this across. And then on the left-hand side, we're just going to arch this further out. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth. So we're going to curve this around and through. And then we're going to start on the right-hand side, again, curving this down. And we're just going to connect that in the center. Let's draw on the tongue. So we're going to curve this down on the right. Stepping over on the left, let's curve this back around and through towards the bottom. Let's move up on our eyes now. We're going to arch this line out towards the side. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and through. Starting on the left, we're going to curve this line around and then back down on the side. Let's draw an oval right in the center. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that. Now from here, we're just going to color in the eye black. Now let's move across and draw in the cheek. So we're going to start on the right hand side, curving this around and in, dropping down, bringing that out, and then back up. Let's flip over now. On the left hand side, replicating that, bringing that in towards the mouth, stepping across again, bringing that further through. Let's close off the chin. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this around and through towards the center. And then we're going to flip over on the right, curving this down, blending that back in. Close off the top of the head. On the left hand side, arching that through towards the middle. From that point, we're going to continue to bring this around and down on the right. Let's draw in our ears. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left, arching that over. Now from here, let's close this off. So from the top, bringing this down on the side. And then again on the right hand side, bringing this over and in. Let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another arch line, bringing this around and down. Let's step over on the right, curving this around and back through. Now we're going to curve this over. So we're going to arch this across, doing the same thing on the right, bringing this down. And then on the left hand side, lining that up at the same height, we're just going to continue to extend that line through. Now let's move down. We're going to draw on the pendant, which is a star. So we're going to draw on the first point on the top, curving that. We're going to come out on the side from that corner, bringing that in. We'll do the same on the left. Let's start on the corner. So we're going to curve this out, bringing that in towards the center, and then we're going to do the same on the right. Closing off the pendant now, we're going to curve this around and through towards the chin. We'll do the same thing on the left. Let's continue to bring the torso down now. So we're going to arch this over and through. Let's draw on our right arm. So behind our chin here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. For our thumb, we're going to arch this around, back down. From that corner, we're going to curve this over and through. Let's step up and arch this line over and across, extending that out. Let's draw on the first finger, curving this around and down. From that corner, bringing this through and back in for the center finger. And then one last time, we're going to curve this back around and through towards the top. Closing off the hand now, we're going to arch this line in. And then from that point, we're going to curve this around and through to close off the hand. Let's curve our arm down now. So we're going to arch this line around and in towards the side. Closing off the center of the torso, we're going to curve this over, ending this so it ends on a diagonal. Let's draw on our leg now. So we're going to curve a diagonal line that comes out on the right. And then we're going to step down on the bottom, curving this down and across, again, ending that on a diagonal. Closing off the foot, we're going to curve this all the way around and back in on the bottom. And then for the bottom of the foot again, we're just gonna arch this around and back through. Let's draw in 2 curved lines for the toes. So we're gonna arch that down towards the bottom. Let's flip over on the left. For the left leg, we're gonna curve this line out. We're gonna move in on the top, arching that out again. Closing off the top of the foot, we're gonna bring this line around, through, and then over on the inside. Let's close off the ankle now. So we're gonna curve this line in, and then moving over on the right, we're just gonna curve that line across. Let's draw in our toes. So we're gonna draw in 2 curved lines, bringing those over towards the center. Let's move behind for the left arm now. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the star. We're gonna continue to extend this out, bringing this over and through. Moving underneath, we'll replicate that, ending that at the same height. And then we're gonna close the wrist off again, just curving this down. Let's draw in our hand. So for the thumb, we're gonna curve this around and in. And then from that point, curving this back, around, and through. And then one more time, curving this around, and we're gonna connect that together with our line on the top. And then moving underneath, we're just gonna arch this line back in. Lastly, let's close off the tail. So we're gonna start on the right-hand side, arching this out towards the side of our page. And then from that point, we're just gonna curve this back in towards the center. We're gonna start on the top, curving this out, down, and through towards the middle. And then we're just gonna draw in a zigzag pattern here as we come over towards the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Felix Fox from Smiling Critters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.